Why are polyfills needed for Babel in old JavaScript browsers? Imagine building a modern website with all the latest JavaScript tricks, but some users are still on browsers that are years behind. That's where polyfills come into play. When you write code using new JavaScript features, not all browsers understand them right away. Babel is a tool that helps by changing your modern code into an older style that browsers can read. It transforms the syntax so your code doesn't break in old browsers. But Babel only rewrites the way the code looks. It doesn't add the actual functions or features that might be missing. For example, if you use a new method like array prototype includes, Babel can change the syntax so it looks like an older version. But if the browser doesn't support that method at all, your code will still fail. That's when polyfills step in. They are pieces of code that add those missing features at runtime. Polyfills make sure that if your code asks for a feature like promise finally or object assign, the browser will get a version of that feature to use. Without polyfills, your modern code relying on these new features might cause errors in older browsers, making your site break or behave unexpectedly. Babel offers ways to include only the polyfills you need. Using the option called Use Built-ins with the value usage, Babel scans your code and automatically adds just the polyfills for features you actually use. This keeps your website lightweight and fast. Alternatively, you can choose Use Built-ins with the value entry, which imports all polyfills upfront, making sure everything works no matter what. In web development, combining Babel with polyfills is a smart way to write clean, modern JavaScript while still supporting older browsers. This combo allows you to use the latest features confidently, knowing your website will work smoothly for everyone. Polyfills fill in the gaps that Babel alone can't cover, providing the missing pieces needed for older browsers to run your code properly. So, in short, polyfills are needed because Babel only changes how code looks, not how it functions in environments that lack support for new features.